everyone. Excuse me, how can I go to the Giant City? Giant City? Let's see. Hmm, walk, walk along the 32 streets. Keep walking Hotumo Street. Uh, Go straight Xuân Thủy Street, then Cầu Giấy Street. Turn right into Láng Street. Go straight on. Turn right into Nguyễn Trãi Street. Then go to 200 kilometers. You see Giant City right. Yes. Thank you. Oh, no problem. Bye bye. Thank you. Bye bye.